In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to download YouTube videos to your File Manager using the video link. Note that this video is for educational purposes only. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. This video will be in two parts. The first part, I'll show you how to download your own YouTube video to your device File Manager. And the second part, I'll show you how to download other people's video to your device File Manager by copying the video link. Let's get started. The first thing to do is to open the YouTube app. Then tap on the U button at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then you go over to your videos. Then tap on it. When your videos open up, you select the video you want to download and tap on the three dot icon next to the video. Then this page will appear. Then you tap on the Save to Device. Take note, do not tap on Download Video because this won't save it to your device File Manager or gallery. After that, you can go to your File Manager to confirm the downloaded video. The second step, which is to download other people's video to your device on YouTube. Firstly, open the YouTube app. Then select the video you want to download. Then tap on it. When it begins to play, you go to the Share button. Tap on it. When it opens up, you click on Copy Link. After that, you click on these three dots. Then click on Download. But note that you must be on the YouTube Premium to download on a high quality. Thanks for watching.